Hi there. Today's lesson is about a fruit that we all like. Okay, today's lesson is about bananas. Okay, great. So, normally here, we can say that we, peel a banana, and this is, of course, the banana skin. Okay, this is a banana skin. Okay, so when we peel it, we will have a banana skin before eating it. Lovely. So today, okay, let's learn 4 main idioms about bananas. Okay, just follow me. Let's go. Okay, idiom number 1 is go bananas. Go bananas means become very crazy or become very excited. Crazy means angry here or excited. Okay, nice. So as an example, my teacher went bananas when he discovered that I had cheated in the exam. It means he became very angry. Okay, or my father went bananas when he found out that I had stolen his wallet. So he went bananas. Okay, he became very crazy. Another example, Cristiano Ronaldo went bananas when he scored the equalizer. It means he was very excited, okay? Very excited about scoring the equalizer in a match, okay? Great. Another example, I went bananas when I learned that I had won a trip to England. So I went bananas, so I was very, very happy, okay, and excited here. Nice, okay, Number 2 is make like a banana and split. What do I mean by this? So make like a banana and split means to leave in a hurry. So when you leave in a hurry, you make like a banana and split. As an example, the party was very boring, okay? So I made like a banana and split. It means I just escaped it, okay? I left in a hurry. Okay, when I went with my friend Jack, we discovered that the party was not that great. So we made like a banana and we split. It means we left, okay? We left in a hurry. So here you just show that you are not happy with something. Nice. Okay, next one please. Top banana. Top banana means position number 1. Okay, it means someone of a great importance in an institution or in an organization. As an example, Mr. Jack is a top banana in his company. It means maybe he's the boss of the company. He is number 1 in the company. Or I may say, no, okay, let's talk to Mrs. Jane because she is top banana, okay? She is top banana in the institution or top banana in the organization. It means she is number 1. No, okay, don't speak to Mr. Jack because he is a second banana. A second banana means, okay, a lower position. So I've got top banana and a lower banana, okay. I will speak to Mr. Jack at school because he is a top banana there. Maybe he is the headmaster responsible for everything. Top banana, position number 1. Great. The last one is banana oil. What do I mean by banana oil? Banana oil means insincere talk about someone, okay? Example, maybe, okay, this insincere talk in order, the objective is to gain something, okay? Great. It's like, flattering someone, flattering someone in order to gain something. Stop this banana oil and tell me what you want. What you just said is, okay, banana oil. And I know that you just want something to tell me what you want. The father said, okay, says to his son, example, son, stop this banana oil and tell me what you want. Do you want to pay a rise? Do you want, okay, more pocket money? Let me know about this. So this is the meaning of banana oil. So 4 main idioms today. Okay, go bananas, make like a banana and split, top banana and banana oil. I hope that you've learned, okay, 4 idioms today. I hope that you have grasped them fully, okay? By the way, which one you just like it, okay, so much? Which one you are ready now to use? Okay, tell me this, okay, while commenting upon my video. So if you liked my video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks a lot, and see you soon. Goodbye.